Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can connect Etsy and Printify, so let's get right into it. Now, I currently at the moment don't have a Printify account and I don't have all the valid information that I would need on Etsy, so I'm just going to use this article here as an example, so let's get right into it. So, as you can see, this is the FAQ on the official Printify page. Literally just go onto printify.com/Etsy, scroll all the way down, and you'll see this instruction set over here, and I'll go over it really quickly. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have a Printify account, and you can just easily log into your account. Then click on My New Store in the top left, and then click on Add a New Store. Then you're going to need to choose Etsy, and then you're going to get the instructions on how to log in. All you have to do, just log into your Etsy store, and then click Grant Access to confirm the connection, and that should be pretty much it. Now, this should be instantaneous, and now you'll be able to use Printify's services on Etsy. Printify will enable you to sell print-on-demand items such as shirts, hoodies, any other clothing items on Etsy, on your Etsy store, with your own, of course, personal price, or your own choice, personally chosen price that you set yourself, and any other details which you might want to iron out on Etsy's side. But other than that, that is legitimately pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.